Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to view all files and folder names in one place by using Notepad. To do this, open your Notepad and write down this code. You can copy this code from the video description. Now save the file into that folder you want to see all of your files. Name the file with .bat at the end. After that, select Save as Type and choose All Files. Next, navigate to the folder where you saved the file, and double-click on it. This will make a text file. Open that file, and you'll find the names of all your files and folders in one spot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.